Hey friends, this is Miss Sarah from Why Not Academy. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about these two words. When you write the words apart and apart, you can tell the difference visually. But when you speak it, especially if people speak really fast, it could get confusing because they even sound the same. In this video, let me teach you how to tell them apart and do some practice in the end to test your understanding. Apart, one word, means separated, describing something that is not with other things. It could be an adverb, an adjective, and a preposition. I'll get into that, don't worry. Apart, it's a noun phrase to mean a piece of something. So when you want to say something is separating you from something else, use apart. For example, keep these cats apart. But when you want to say one piece of an object or a member of a group or a fraction of a whole, you can use a part. For example, a part of the team. I mentioned earlier that a part has many different parts of speech. When it's used as an adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Look at these examples. Put these two items apart. That changed the verb put to indicate the action of putting these two items, not together, but apart. Hong Kong and the UK are miles apart. We can use apart as an adjective, like I'm sad to be apart from my family.
Oh no!
Besides the meaning of separation, it could also have the meaning of being different from others. For example, twins might look alike, but their personalities could be worlds apart. Apart can also be used as a preposition, and for that we need to add the word from to mean besides or except for. For example, apart from forgetting my homework, school was okay today. Or, apart from the insane working hours, this job is not too bad. Moving on to apart, the noun phrase. The usage is straightforward because it only has one meaning. That is, to describe a piece of or a fraction of a larger group of things, of people. For example, I'm proud to be a part of this company. Or, he wants to be a part of the athletic team. Or, we've always treated you a part of this group. If I remove the article a and only use the word part, the meaning stays the same. All right, practice time. There you go. This is your VS grammar lesson. I hope you can tell apart and apart. Apart. Did you get it? Telling apart and apart. Apart can be funny. Okay. I'll stop confusing you now. Check out my other bite-sized grammar lesson here and here. Until next time. Bye for now.